Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about Pepe. We're going to be going through Pepe from a technical analysis perspective, looking at some very important price predictions for the next sort of day, for the next sort of week, month or so, okay? And then we're going to be going into a new Pepe based project, which I'm super bullish on, and they've just raised just over $13 million in their pre-sale. So super early alpha entry there. I'm definitely one to really be looking out for there. But yeah, talking about Pepe to start this video off, let's have a look at the market cap. Market cap currently sat at around $3 billion. Very good. 27th in the ranking out of 9,808 cryptocurrencies right now, which is pretty bullish, I must say. 27th, not too bad for a $3 billion market cap. That's not too bad at all. Volume is what has caught my eye today, and that is up 38% here for Pepe. And if the volume ranking is higher than the actual market cap ranking, it's actually a bullish sign for the asset, okay? Because it shows there's more volume being traded in this asset than other cryptocurrencies that are currently actually above Pepe in the ranking of the highest market cap, right? So this indicates bullish buying pressure here for Pepe, which is good considering volume is up 38%, and that does make me want to go into the chart and have a little look at what Pepe can be doing over the next sort of couple of days or so. Just quickly before we do that, go check out Pepe Unchained. It is basically a layer 2 based protocol, and Pepe now is going to have its own blockchain where meme coins are going to be able to be built on that. They've just raised $13.6 million in their pre-sale. The pre-sale is nearly over, guys, so if you do want to get involved with that, I'll leave the link in the description. Super early alpha entry to this bad boy. I think we're going to see a $1 billion market cap again for this Pepe based project, and yeah, super interesting. And it is basically base chain but for meme coins. Okay, so go check it out, do your own research, of course. But without further ado, let's get straight into the Pepe chart. Now let's talk about market structure to start us off, because obviously that's the most important thing, the macro market structure for to determine whether we are in a bullish market structure or a bearish market structure. Right now you can see this is the low, this is the higher low, this is the the previous and most recent confirmed higher low, and that is all the way down at around 395, guys, which is super important, okay? Just because that basically means we can fluctuate down in price for around 44%, 45%, just shy of that, and we will still be in a bullish market structure. So just be aware for that, guys. The most recent low that we have had in this micro trend is currently sat at around 588. It is pretty good that we haven't hit that recently. The last time we hit that was back at the start of August, so it has been over a month now since we actually got to that point, which is a bullish sign, which is good. It shows that we are holding its own for Pepe, but the thing that does slightly concern me, guys, it is this Fibonacci retracement, the 0.236. If we're doing Fibonacci, we're going to be doing it from the all-time high of Pepe down to the swing low of the bear market here, and that will give us very strong retracement zones here, as you can see here on the right-hand side. Now, the one that has caught my eye is the 0.236, because you can see we are flirting with it, continuously flirting, but we can't find that initial support, okay? So when we find that support, there is going to be a lovely move to the upside, as we have seen in previous price action, excuse me. So I don't think that is out of the question, and there is probably a nice little trade here for around 13-15% or so. But the one thing that I would recommend doing for Pepe right now, and we will go into a huge trade for Pepe that is coming in the coming weeks after we cover this point. But what I would just like to say, if you found some value, drop a little like on the video. It does help us out. And obviously leave your comments in the comment section of the TA of what you think of Pepe as well. But what I'm doing with Pepe right now is essentially DCAing this market, guys. You're just buying every single dip. Every time we dip, you're just buying it, okay? Because if you're accumulating the supply in these very crucial levels, when we do see breakout scenarios coming through in the future, then it's very likely that you're going to be in profit on all of these positions, right? So it's DCAing, dollar cost averaging your position, and basically accumulating supply at these lovely low levels. That is the best strategy here for Pepe right now, because when we do come into this lovely alt season, we will see Pepe absolutely soar to the goddamn moon, breaking all-time highs yet again. I do not doubt that in my mind, okay? Now, the massive bullish huge trade that we are looking for here is going to be this lovely, massive breakout, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, from a chart pattern perspective, we've got a lovely falling wedge. Falling wedges, they do tend to usually break to the upside here, and we're looking for this breakout looking like something like that, right? And we will do some measure moves very, very shortly. But what I'm looking for here is going to be probably a measure move something along the lines of this. And we're going to take that, we're going to drag that to the breakout zone, wherever that may be. And then there is going to be basically a position worth around 65% to the upside. Yes, you heard that correctly, 65% to the upside. Super bullish on that, and that will be a really, really nice trade for Pepe. And of course, we are DCAing the whole way down, so that is we're basically going to be longing the market continuously. So we're making so much gains when this happens. This is more of like a futures position. We get in around this area when we clear the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, and we trade alongside the 3-day all the way up to complete this measure move. That's sort of what I'm looking out for Pepe. Let me know what you think of Pepe in the comment section, of course. Drop a little like if you found some value, and just a quick bit of alpha information on this Pepe Unchained Layer 2 based project. Instant bridging between Ethereum and Pepe. Lowest transaction fees on the Ethereum chain, lower than Base, lower than Ethereum. So it's going to be really super cheap to do the transacting. It's got a higher volume capacity. It's 100 times faster than Ethereum, and they are going to have their own dedicated blockchain explorer. What that means, guys, they're going to have their own Ether scan. They're going to have their own Sol scan. They're going to have their own Pepe Unchained scan, or whatever it's going to be called, where you can actually go into the blockchain and look at transactions and stuff like that. So yeah, super, super bullish on this. $13 million has already been raised. Definitely not one to miss. Super early alpha entry, guys. This will launch soon, though, so if you want to get involved, now is the time. You can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, CARD, or even BNB, believe it or not. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. Let me know what you think of Pepe in the comment section. Let me know what you think of Pepe Unchained in the comment section as well. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.